we've taken a bit of it away. There might be new ideas here about how to do things. We might be thinking of moving 25,000 people between Sydney and Brisbane an hour, 25,000 people an hour, and suddenly someone's told us about this magnetic levitation train. If it's relevant, we can potentially include thinking along those lines in our needs solution, and or if it's really relevant, we could actually do some test and trials to see whether that sort of technology works. Yeah? And that's what the concept validation is about. The time between stakeholders agreeing, the government agreeing what they want, and the ship actually entering the water, which is over here somewhere, can be 10 or 12 years. Yeah, you really do want to think carefully about what's the new technologies coming along. Should we actually look at some of those and run a quite a comprehensive research and development program that would run parallel to building the ships? Yeah, because you might want to include the new technology in the ships when it rolls off the production line. At this point, you may include a number of these new ideas in the solution, but the specification, it's often called a functional performance specification, FPS. Everything to the left of this tends to be left-hand, which I call left-hand being requirements. Right? These chairs, the chair is a solution to a requirement. Right? The requirement is it has to be safe, comfortable, all the other stuff. Left-hand is requirement, right-hand is solution. Right? Assets are a solution to a set of requirements. The functional performance specification is the complete set of requirements. When you've documented all of that, you can then give it to the designer, who will then run around trying figuring out a solution. The support analysis here is, if I want this ship, you want this ship to do 48 knots, 50 miles an hour through the water. That's going to take some quite interesting machinery to do that. I need to think about all the different types of diesel engines and gas turbine engines that can do that. Which ones would I choose? Well, whichever combination meets your requirement. That's why there's this iterative loop happening here. Yeah. At some point, though, that iterative loop needs to be, someone will say, no, we think we're coming close to this. That's what it's going to be. So the ship is now going to look like this. It's going to have a propulsion system looking like that. And when we put all that stuff together, we actually are going to meet this specification. Yeah.